What's up guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install the WHMCS on your website. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right on the video. So I'm going to head over to my cPanel. So when we go to our cPanel, we'll go to File Manager. We'll open this in a new tab. Okay, so we're going to find our website. Okay, so the site where we're going to be installing our WHMCS, and this is the site here, nameguru.converted.com. okay, so it can be anything in your case. So we're just going to click on this. Okay, so this is our website. So this is what we're going to be installing it, right? So we're going to click on upload. Okay, so we're going to head over to converted.com. okay, so if you have purchased the domain course, you're going to have all this. You're going to have the theme, you're going to have WHMCS. okay, so we're just going to carry this WHMCS, okay, and just put it here. It's very easy. So it's loading. So guys, while this is loading, head over to converted.com/domain. okay, so you're going to learn how you can start selling domain like Namecheap, GoDaddy, and SiteGround. okay, and also I'm also going to give you all the necessary files. okay, you're going to get a WHMCS software, you're going to get my WordPress theme. okay, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can do this. So you're also going to get a free hosting and a free domain. okay, so basically you just have to make payments once and that's all. You don't need to make another payment. Okay guys, as you can see, it is completed. So we're going to click this to go back. So we're going to refresh our files. okay, so this is it here. So we're going to click on this, we're going to right click, and we're going to click on extract. So we're going to click on extract files. So and that is it. So this is our file right here. okay, so what next we're going to do, we're going to look for this configuration file. We're going to edit, we're going to rename. okay, so we're going to click, we're going to change it to configuration.php. we're going to remove the dots new and go to click on rename file. okay, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to type in our URL, WHMCS/install. okay, you type in your domain name, you type in WHMCS, you type in install. So it's just domain name /WHMCS/install. okay, so we're going to be redirected to this page. So we're going to click on agree. Automatically the software is going to do a system check on your hosting. As you can see, my system check was successful, so I'm going to begin installation. okay, so then it asks for my license key, so I will just head over to here, copy my license key, and I'll paste it. I'll head over back to my cPanel, then I'll go to database. okay, so I'll go to my SQL database wizard. So I'm going to click on this. okay, so now I'm going to create a new database. So we're going to call this database, just call it ng, that's name guru. okay, next. So the username is going to be ng, then the password, so we're just going to generate a password. We're going to copy this password. I've copied password. okay, and we're going to create this user. We're going to give it all privilege. Next step. okay, so that's all. So now we're going to go back here, we're going to put in the password. So let's put in the password, then the username is, let's go okay, so this is the database, so we're going to copy this. So we'll hover up to here, database name, we're going to paste this here, and we're going to go back to get the user. So this is the user, so we're going to copy this. we're going to go back to here and paste it here. So we're going to click on continue. So we're going to wait for some time. So we're going to put our first name. Okay, just remove this. Okay, so the email is so we're going to click on complete setup. Okay, so now we'll have to add a current job. Okay, so this is what automates the process. It generates invoice, it suspends account. Okay, people that have not paid, it suspends their account. It generates invoice and sends to all your customers every 5 minutes. Okay, so how we're going to do that now, we're going to copy this code, copy it. Okay, then we are going to go to our cPanel again. So let's head over to our cPanel, then we'll just search for it. Okay, so this is it. No, we don't need email. Okay, let's put our email, and common setting is every 5 minutes. Then we're going to paste it here. Okay, so we're going to add it, and it has been added. So now we're going to go back to WHMCS, and we're going to go to admin area. Okay, now we're getting this error. The install folder needs to be deleted for security reasons before using WHMCS. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to head over back to our cPanel. We're going to go to our home page. We're going to go to file manager. Okay, then we're going to look for the install folder. So we're going to look for our website. This is our website. We're going to come to WHMCS, and this is the install folder. So we're going to click on it, and we can either hover up to here and click on delete, or we can right click and click on delete. So let's just delete it. So we're going to click skip the trash and permanently delete this file. We're going to confirm it. Okay, so we're going to come here and we're going to refresh. Okay, now so it's asking me to log in. Okay, so it already has my details, so I'm just going to click on login. And there you have it, guys. So if you're watching this video, I want to say a big congratulations. You have finally learned how to install the WHMCS manually on your website. Okay, and guys, if you have any question, just comment below. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below.